Hi there. This is take 2 on the video. If you tried to watch it the first time, there was no sound. So here we go with the third theorem, triangle inequality theorem. What it says is that the two smaller lengths of the sides of a triangle have to add up to be more than the length of the longest side. Okay, so think about a triangle, right? The two shorter ones, this one and this one, have to add up to be more than or longer than this longer side. The reason being, if these are shorter, then there's no way they can touch, right? So here's the nice long side, and this is a short side and a short side. And if they can't touch each other, then they can't make a triangle, right? Or here's the longer side, and let's say that they're the same length, right? They'll make a nice straight line, but that doesn't make a triangle. So they have to be longer so they can bump up, they can bump up and get to be a triangle. So if you look at this, we need to identify the two shorter sides. So the two shorter sides are the 4 and the 5. And when you put the 4 and the 5 together, they should be longer than 6. And in this case, yes, that would actually make a triangle. Okay, so here, if you take the two shorter sides, 7 and 3, and you put those together, that has to be bigger than 15. And it's not. So it would do something like this where they wouldn't touch at all. So no, it doesn't make a triangle. Down here, if you take the two shorter sides, here and here, even though they're decimals, it doesn't really matter. 52.6. If you put them together, that's 62.8. So again, they're not long enough. It's going to make that nice straight line because the two shorter ones equal the bigger one. So that won't make a triangle at all either. And then on the last one, the two shorters, so we have 10.5 and 7 3/4, and they have to be bigger than 15.5. Well, you don't even really need to worry about the fractions, right? Because this is 17 plus something, so actually that's 18 1/4, and that actually is bigger than 15.5. So yeah, this one would actually make a triangle. So if you have any questions, just ask your teacher.